What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, That AMG. Today we are going to go and do our brake pads and rotors on my AMG. I got the brakes and all the parts and whatnot in my trunk right now. But right now we're currently heading to my mechanic so he can do all the work. So I'm just pretty much just going to drop off the car and pick it up when it's all done. So stay tuned and keep watching. Oh my, why the hell would they make it that steep? Oh, fuck. Fuck, wrong one. Stupid! There she is. Sheesh. Oh my God, way better. Alrighty, now we gotta break these new brakes in. It's looking super fresh though. My mechanic has shown me the old brake pads and let's just say I'm glad I got in when I got in, because the brake pad wear left on those was pretty much gone. Damn, those brake way better than my last set. Holy shit. Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. It's the next day. As you can see in the previous clip, it got dark. But let's just say getting those brakes done was the best thing that could have happened. My mechanic, he said I only had about like a couple pieces of paper thick until my brake pads were completely gone. So thank God I got in when I got in. But these new brakes, they're feeling 100 times better. No more screeching, stop on an instant. So these brakes are definitely the move to do. But if you like this kind of content, stay tuned, drop a comment, let me know what you think or what you want to see next. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.